Good morning, everyone. Obie Young, Florida Aviation Network. On Saturday, February the 25th, we're going to meet at Stallion 51 to do some crew training. Thanks to the nice folks at Stallion 51, where the P-51s and the T-6s are. And KT Bundy Jones is going to help us with rehearsals so we can improve our craft, both video, audio, lighting, and of course, working in the field. We're going to be working with KT Bundy Jones and the Director of Aviation for Kissimmee, Sean Garamos. We're going to get together around 10 o'clock. Please arrive by 9:30 so we can put the equipment together. And it's going to be at 3951 Maryland Drive in Kissimmee, Florida, to promote aviation and aviation safety. So far, we've heard from myself, Mark, Lori, one of our veteran hosts, Nikki, who's a newcomer, Rich on photos, Ted on photos, Sophia, and of course, Tweet Coleman. See you then.